Creating a group in Mailchimp allows you to organize your audience into categories for more targeted communications. Here's how to create one. Log into Mailchimp. Go to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Navigate to Audience. Click on the Audience tab from the main dashboard. Select your audience. Choose the audience you want to work with. If you have multiple audiences, select the one where you want to create the group. Access Audience Settings. Click on Manage Audience and select Groups from the drop-down menu. Create a new group. Click the Create Groups button. Set up the group. Enter a name for the group. This is the category under which subscribers will be organized. Choose the type of group based on how you want subscribers to be categorized. Add group options. Input the options or categories that you want within this group. Save the group. Click Save to create the group. Manage subscribers. You can now assign subscribers to this group manually or via sign-up forms.